The Ecolo Spark. You saw the other video. I was a little judgmental on this one at first, but it has major pluses to it, and that's the size. You don't have to go to the Nexa. Like, the height on this one is huge. So we're going to show you what different size people look like sitting in the Spark. Door opens nice and wide, and the access to the back is the best, right? There's not a lot of space here. That's good because you can get into the back more. Okay, so I'm 5'3". The seat also moves back the most. So if you're a taller person, look at the headroom I have here. This is a seat all the way back. I can't even reach. So I would put it here. That's me. Let's go to a 6'4" man, because that's the real test.
Ooh.
Look at the headroom on that.
Wow. Even like the legroom.
Yeah. So if you are a tall person and you are looking for an enclosed mobility scooter, you can go with the Nexa and you can go with the Spark. Hands down, no problem. Next. Okay, so this is Scott. How tall are you, sir?
5'10"-ish.
5'10"-ish. And he's got shoulders for days, this man. Yeah. Lots of room. Is that seat all the way back? Yeah. So he can actually roll it a little bit closer, but that is all the way back. We have made the Nexa go back for a couple people. That was pure customization. And now we'll have Mike. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How tall are you, sir?
5'6".
5'6". So we got 5'6", 6'4", 5'10", 5'6", and 5'3". It is a lot of room. Now, let's give another example. So we've got Mike in the front. What's it like for a passenger in the back? Now, put the seat all the way back. Yeah, that's not fun. That's not a lot of space, but I'm going to get in there anyways. Hope you smell good today, Mike.
Yeah.
Oh, he does. Well, I'm straddling a little bit, but it does work. Okay, put the seat back where it's comfortable. Okay, so the pluses is if you need more space in the front, it's all there for you, but you can't have everything. So in the back, it's definitely tighter. But like I said, you could straddle it, or I could ride like this, like in the olden days where the two legs go on one side of the horse, side saddle. But okay, hold the. Okay, let's do Becca and I compared. Definitely shorter. Not really, but
heels.
Me too. Yeah, she's got heels. How tall are you?
5 something.
Maybe there's a 5 there. She might even be in the forest, but she won't admit it. Is that where you would have it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. You are definitely you're now going to be in our size videos because, yeah, she is short.
Us in the back?
Yes. But if Becca was looking for an enclosed mobility scooter, I might suggest the Ecolo Connect for her because she doesn't need all this space. Although you've got fantastic legroom. There are your size comparisons on Ecolo Spark. They call it an Ecolo Connect Spark. Forget the Connect part. This is an Ecolo Spark. Now you know.